Hello everyone. First, tap on three line on the top, tap on setting, tap on power saving. Now in this page, as you see, power saving mode is off, and after the battery went below 10% will be on. If you want turn on the power saving mode, drag this to 100% and the power saving mode will always be enabled. And also, if this mode is on default, you can use power saving option and saving your power. For example, animated sticker and animated emoji. If you turn them off, there will be in any group or channel in chat, fix it and you can saving your power. Also animated in chat and animated in call, and more important, autoplay video and autoplay GIF. If you turn them off, they will be fixed in any chat, and if you tap on them, you can play each GIF or video you want. In the end, we have enabled a smooth transition. If you disable this, you can also saving your power. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel and support us to make more video like this. Thanks for watching.